So we have a little barbecue setting out here on Kokoda Trail. Let's just have a look. Okay. This picnic areas were improved by the Rotary Club of Concord in conjunction with the Concord Municipal Council and were officially opened on the 23rd of February 1980 by the Right Honourable William McCann. No idea what those letters say. To commemorate the 75th anniversary of the founding of the Rotary Club. Need to do a little bit of research into that. So we've got some sort of little shop here. Oh, looks like it's closed. Ah, it's a coffee shop. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's permanently closed. Some more toilets over there. Let's see if we can get up. Let's have a look. That's car park. Female toilets. Disabled bathroom down that side, but you can't get there. So let's have a look at the other side, just out of curiosity. Do this up. Again, you can just see roads on that side. Just reversing. Okay. So there is a disabled bathroom, but you need a key to access it. And it's not an MLAC key. Another weird looking key. So let's have a look at the other side. See if there's any other toilets. I don't actually need to go to the toilet, I'm just looking for people in wheelchairs that come out. This is the Ralph Honer Kokoda Educational Centre. Yeah, no. Let's just have a look down here. Yeah. There we go. There is no disabled bathroom. There is one down there, but it's got a weird looking key lock. I'm surprised these toilets are not actually vandalised. Sorry again, even though the batec has reverse, it pays to use your hand to reverse. Because when you sometimes you get stuck in the reverse. That's a shame that coffee shop's closed. When my daughter was about maybe 3 years old, we went there. Okay. Let's just go in here. What's this one? garden or something, isn't it? Oh, kind of stuck here. Oh, okay. So this side's, we have to come off the gate. Oh, trying to reverse back up a hill is hard. So let's just lock this gate. Alright. Okay. Alright, so outside of the Kokoda trail where the old coffee shop used to be, on a sidewalk here, we had to get out of the gate, lock the gate, unlock the gate, there wasn't a sign to say so. Now out on the sidewalk here, see, let me zoom out, sorry, there. You see it's a bit broken, uneven, bit of bumps in the ground. I assume the bumps are because of the tree trunks, pretty big trees here. Another little building there, we'll have a look to see what that is. Morning.
Morning.
Good to see people riding push bikes. Oh, it's a childcare centre. Okay. Good. Just over there on that side of the part of the field is the Concord Hospital, which we're about to go to. Alright, so let's have a look. No sidewalks inside that side, you can access it. Morning. Over there. That footpath is closed. On that side is the road's corporate park. Nestle, Hewlett Packard, and I think Rebel Sports up there as well. So this is Fremont Street. So Fremont Street goes directly up to Hospital Road. Hospital Road, as you're probably aware, comes off the Concord Road, main road that goes from Stratfield all the way to Rhodes. Let's try and access the footpath. Oh, a bit bump, sorry about the bumps. You can see these little white marks. That's where the council, instead of ripping up the concrete and placing new ones, they had these sanders. They cut high parts of the concrete to make it more accessible, which doesn't really work, as you can see all the bumps. Still pretty reasonable. I've tried to do this once before, just in a manual wheelchair, without my power assist. It's not pretty taxing on the shoulders. So you have to like left, right to avoid all the parts of the high concrete area on the path. There's a bus, a 4, 5, 8 bus that goes to Groves. Comes the nurse, must be finishing her night shift. Concord Hospital. And here we are, Hospital Road. Let's go check in.